Hi guys, welcome to this second video about the Hurricane Spin Broom. So yeah, probably some people may be surprised that I still own this thing, because my first video I was not sure if I will it return or keep it, and I was more on the side to return, and actually I was on the way to return it to anyway, I wanted to give it back, and unfortunately I lost my receipt, so yeah, I was not able to return it. I went back home, and then my wife told me, yeah, there are people coming in like, I can't remember, 10 minutes or so. We have to a little bit clean up. So what I did, I put it back, I took it back out of the box and was running around for maybe 5 minutes and cleaned everything, and so it looked really good after that, and so I decided to keep it. Yeah, because actually I have to say it did a quite good job. It was not perfect, but it saved my ass at this time, because there was no time to pull out the vacuum, search for an extension cord and plug everywhere, and so I thought, yeah, it's maybe really a good thing to have it just in a corner, to be able to take it out when, like, your parents or parents-in-law parents come, or friends, or let's say they call you and say, oh, we are 10 minutes away, we are would you mind, we are to come like for a coffee or something like that, and they want to clean a little bit around the edges, and so I'm showing you now how it works. You can see how easy it is. Usually you can even push it with one hand, so you can see you don't have to push really hard. Now you can see, so it pulls a little bit to the side, I think. I haven't noticed that, maybe so, but it doesn't matter, because usually you hold it like this and then you can steer it left, right. You can even move it backwards, but then you don't have enough push, like downwards push, to clean. But if it's necessary, you pull a little bit down here and it would work. Let's say you go underneath a table and then turn it by 180 degrees and come back and clean the rest. So it's pretty cool, and usually you can see it cleans. Let's look for some dirt. Here I think we have found something. Like, let's see if it picks it up. Yeah, I think it's gone. So what happens sometimes, that it picks up some dirt, and yeah, when you make like a sharp turn or pull back or something like this, yeah, probably it's a pullback, and then some dirt just moves out of the tray again, but then you can push again and it will pick it up again. So sometimes, in, let's say, rare situations, it happens. Mostly it does a really good job, and the wheels are turning usually really good. And you see, when you have dirt on the side like this thing, it will move it to the inside, and then there's the other brush here which picks it up. So it's not a good thing to do what I did, to move it around. Also, to clean, you have to be careful that you keep this tray to the bottom side and not to the upside. So here again, there's the thing on the knees, two brushes on the side, this brush in the middle, to put everything down in this trash bin. There are some helping wheels that it doesn't touch the floor too much, but actually, yeah, so you can see again, for those who didn't watch the first video, it has a wheel here soft rubber wheel here, soft rubber wheel here. These are rotating the whole, I mean they are propelling the whole thing. And here are just two support wheels which make sure that it doesn't touch the ground. And here there's a like a lip, soft plastic lip, which should pick everything up. So it's a pretty easy concept, and of course, yeah, the good thing, doesn't need any power. You don't have to use like extension cords. It doesn't produce any noise, so it's good for your, like if you have animals, they are not too much disturbed. There's no hot air out of this. Yeah, there are actually a lot of advantages with such a device. It's only about $20 on Amazon. You can buy it with Amazon Prime, and it's a really good thing. Of course, some people would say, yeah, you can buy a vacuum robot which is running around the whole day for $200 or so. Usually the ones for $100 don't work really good. They bump into everything and cause a mess. But even the ones for $200, they have a really big disadvantage because they pick up everything. They don't select, they are not picky. So if you lose some jewelry or important small stuff, it will pick it up. So no matter what it is, if it's garbage or it's jewelry, it will pick it up, and probably you won't check the whole trash bin before you empty it. So that can be a little problem then, and you can lose some very valuable things. So this doesn't happen with this thing because you see what you pick up. So again, so it's really easy. Let's move here another piece of dirt. You see, easy thing. So even on the way back, so we go underneath the table. Oh, sorry. So again, hope you can see that. Yeah, and I'm turning now. Yeah, now it's a little bit difficult to move back, but of course I'm really far down. Usually I don't have to go down so far, so it's a very good thing. You see another piece of dirt, it's gone. You can even accelerate here a piece of sunflower seed. Here more things. That was not dirt, that is the damage on the floor. So you see, when it's really urgent, if you have just like 5 minutes or so, you can really run through the whole home. It's not a problem. See, these two pieces of dirt gone. So it's a really good thing. So the last thing which I'm going to show you is how to empty. I hope I will be able to do that. So here's some other dirt. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, now the most tricky thing to keep filming and empty it. So hope I will be able to do so. It won't be really easy. Okay, let's try. I should have brought my stand. So actually you should try to hold it in this angle. I'm changing the camera to the other hand. Hopefully that works. Hold on a second. Okay. So, yeah, this is about the best angle which you can choose to empty, because the trash is now down here, so it can't fall out here on the top. And then you can push, there's a button here, you push it in. I did it now, so unfortunately you haven't been able to see. I just pushed where you have these ribs, or I don't know how to call them. So I pushed, and you see it opened the whole thing. Now I can go close to the trash bin. It opens, and I just can shake it out. Hope you can see that. It opened automatically. I can do that even with one hand. Usually I do that with two hands. And now I just push the lid down again. Okay, it's closed, and I can continue with cleaning. So yeah, that was it for now. So this live demonstration, and I have definitely decided to keep the thing. It's only 20 bucks, and it helps me in some really specific situation where I have to clean really fast, like people are coming and I have just 5 or 10 minutes to clean, so there's not enough time to grab the vacuum and do the whole thing. So you just run around and pick up the or at a specific spots and the dirt which you really see right away. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.